welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a small voice effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click a new project. And in here, you can add the video that you want to edit. This one, and then click add at the bottom. Click on it, and after this, if you wanna add a small voice effect on this video, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the video, and after this, at the menu, you can swipe until you can see and change. This one, you can click on it, and after this, you can click on a body. Click on a body, and in here you can click on the voice, and after this you can swipe this icon to left or right for the adjust the voice like this. You can see in here like this, and after this you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add small voice effect on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.